Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have built the cart, we have calculated the totals, and now it's time for the most exciting part of this series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the PayHere payment gateway into our Skillshop platform to process real-time secure transactions. Integrating a payment gateway is a milestone for any web developer. It requires precision, security, and a smooth user experience. Today, we will bridge the gap between our shopping cart and PayHere, allowing your users to pay using credit card, mobile wallets, or internet banking seamlessly. Now let's go to our website. This is our cart page. There are no items here. Now I turn into our home page and add this product into my cart. Now I turn back to cart and you can see our product is here. Our total is this one. And I click this proceed to checkout button. Now you can see the pay here model open. I can choose the bank card, Visa card, MasterCard or Extractor. I click this Visa card and you should complete this. I type the name and credit card number. I go to PayHere's website and click this knowledge base. Then I click sandbox. Now I copy this Visa card number and paste it. Then I type CVV and expire month and year. Now I click this pay button. You can see payment approved message. Then I close this window and I turn into this invoice page. So in this part, we will discuss about the payment process. Now let's dive into our code. In our buyerdashboard.php file, you can see we created a button, proceed to checkout. And I use onClick equal checkout function. Now let's dive into our JS part. The checkout function. This is where the magic starts when the user clicks proceed to checkout. We immediately set btn disabled equal to true and change the text to processing. This prevents double spending where a user clicks the button gets charged twice. The code calls payhereprocess.php file. This is a vital security step where the server generates the MD5 hash, calculates the final amount, and gathers the user's details. If the server response is successful, we call payhere.startPayment in the brackets data.payment. This is the official command that opens the PayHere secure window on top of your Skillshop site. PayHere.onCompleted. Once the bank confirms the payment, PayHere sends the user back to this function. Just because the payment is done, your database knows about it yet. We use fetch to send the order ID to saveinvoice.php. The backend script will move items from the cart to an orders table and clear the user's cart. If the invoice is saved successfully, we use window.location.href to redirect the user to their professional invoice page. Error and dismissal handlers. A professional app must handle what if something goes wrong. On dismissed. This trigger if the user closes without paying. Instead of a blank screen, we show a helpful alert so they know the transaction didn't go through. On error. If there's a technical glitch, like an expired card or a connection timeout, this function catches the error and displays it, helping the user troubleshoot the issue. The finally block. Regardless of whether the payment started or failed, the finally block runs. It re-enables the button and sets the text back to proceed to checkout. So the user can try again if there was a connection, and this is our PayHere process.php file. In this file, before we talk about money, we must verify the user. The script checks if the user is logged in, if their role is a buyer, and if their ID is valid. Notice the custom error message that includes the role and ID. This helps you debug exactly why a user might be getting an unauthorized error during your development. We don't just send a number, we calculate it fresh from the database. The strip pulls every item currently in the cart. It calculates the subtotal and the total delivery fee based on the same logic we used for the cart page. PayHere requires the amount to be a string with exactly two decimal places. We use number format to meet this requirement perfectly. This is what prevents hackers from changing 50,000 rupees price to 1 rupee. We create the unique signature by combining the merchant ID, order ID, amount, currency, and a hashed version of your merchant secret. When payer receives the payment request, they generate the same hash on their end. If the two hashes don't match, they know the data was tampered with and will block the transaction. We bundle everything into a single package for the front end. We fetch the buyer's name, email, and address from the database. Providing this to PayHere means the user doesn't have to type their info again in the payment pop-up. Where the user goes after clicking finish, a hidden server to server link where PayHere sends the final payment status to your database by notify URL. Sandbox true. Ensures you are using test money, not real credit cards, while you are building the site. And that is how you program a secure professional checkout backend by calculating our totals and generating our security hashes on the server. That our Skillshop platform is protected against tampering and ready for real world business. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you again with another video. So have a nice day all, and goodbye.